Okay, we're going to make the first part in the 5 inventor part. So you can click on New, and we'll do a standard IPT. Go ahead and click Start Sketch. Select a work plane. I'm going to draw the whole profile of pretty much the whole thing. So I'm going to do a line, come here, come up here, and I need to go 1.50. Type that in, hit return. We're going to go over 1, hit return. We're going to go up 1, hit return. We're going to go over 2, return. We're going to go down 1, return. We're going to go over 1, return. We're going to go down 1.5, return. And go in 0.5, return. And go up 0.5, return. We'll go over 3, return. We'll go down 0.5, return. And we'll come back to the beginning and click. So now we have a profile. We're going to finish that sketch. Let's see, we'll bring it here kind of in the center. We're going to extrude, and we want to extrude that, let's see, it's 2.5 inches. And then we need to draw this little outcrop thing here, and if you look at the dimensions carefully, you'll see that if I go over 0.5 here and up 0.5, that'll be the bottom corner of the rectangle, so then I can make it. So I'm going to start a sketch on this side. And I'm going to actually do a rectangle. And here's the very important part. This little button here is extremely important. This is like makes construction lines, so it's not really making a line. It's just putting in a dotted line kind of as a marker for you to know where you need to start stuff. So I want to make sure I click that button so now it's highlighted blue. You have to remember later to unclick that button when you want to start making real lines. But I'm going to come down here and I'm going to make a rectangle, or a square technically, that's 0.5, tab, 0.5, return. Half by half, and you'll see that they're just dotted lines, so I just kind of puts a little marker dot right here for me to go off of. So I'm going to make another rectangle to make my drawing in here, but I want to come up here, I want to click off that construction because I want it to be a real rectangle. So I come back down here, I'm going to make a rectangle, and it's going to be 1.5 tab by 0.25 return, so I have my rectangle, and then I can finish the sketch. I can extrude that. It kind of knows what I want to extrude, and we extrude at 0.75, and we hit return, and there's our first part.